bago pa tayo magpatuloy. Okay, baka ako na rin. Damay-damay pala to. Sorry po. Balikan na natin ang simula ng kwento ni Catherine mula sa mga taong nakasama niya sa mundo ng telebisyon. Panoorin po natin ito.
Behind every strong and successful woman is herself.
Hindi ka hinaan ng puso. Lakas yun ng lahat ng lumalaban.
From a stellar child actress
Diba? Good girl naman ako. I have enough uterus.
to a record breaker teen queen,
Sorry po! Reflector!
and now hailed as Asia's superstar,
Malakas makaganda pag may diploma.
Catherine Bernardo is truly in a league of her own.
Bawal sumablay, bawal pumalpak. Kasi trabaho ko yun eh.
With her sheer talent, versatility, and stunning beauty, she becomes an omnipresent figure on Philippine TV.
Nakasama ko si Catherine from Super Ego, Cristala, Mara Clara Growing Up, at Lalo na Sangre.
Isang proyekto na kami nagkasama ni Catherine, yung Going Bulilit. Naaalala ko noon kung mapapanood ni Catherine to, one time tinawag ko sila eh. Ikaw, Catherine, paglaki mo, magiging ganyan ka. Natutuwa ako dahil nagkatotoo yung sinabi ko sa kanila. At nakita mo naman kung nasa na si Catherine ngayon. Siya na ang ating number 1 na artista para sa akin, ha?
Lagi siya yung pang flashback, young version ni ganito. And even then, alam mo na this girl will really go very far. She's a star.
Every teleserye she touches turns into a hit, and the magic lies within her exceptional acting skills and unbeatable hard work.
Nakatrabaho ko po si Kat sa Too Good To Be True. Pag hiningi mo sa kanya, talagang ibibigay niya sa'yo.
Super professional. She comes to set prepared all the time. Binibigyan niya ng sarili niyang flavor yung every character na pinoportray niya.
Alam mong mahal niya yung trabaho niya. So when she takes on a role, heart and soul, 100% siya doon. When she loves deeply. Yung nakita ko kung paano siya magmahal kay Tito Ron. We all love him, but she loves him to the core. She treated him like her own grandfather.
20 years of being an unstoppable, much sought-after actress of this generation. Yet her humility still remains top-notch.
Kung ano siya as Catherine nung nakilala namin ng bata siya hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin naman yung Catherine. Hindi yan nakakalimot.
Hindi naninina yan eh. Kilala niya lahat ng katrabaho niya by name. So, nung dumating din yung times na nagkaroon ako ng problema personally, hindi siya nag-hesitate, tumulong.
Ipagmamalaki ko talaga sa isang Catherine Bernardo. Never nagbago sa pakikitungo sa ibang tao. Masarap yung feeling na ikaw yung artistang kasama namin.
Ang hindi ko alam na ginagawa pala ni Catherine na natuwa ako, nakita ko yung isang nanay ng isang bulilit. Tapos kunento niya sa akin, nung namatay ang tatay nung bulilit na to, ang nagpaaral na sa kanya, si Catherine. Doon ko lang nalaman. Tuwan-tuwa ako na hindi pala siya nakalimot sa mga nakasama niya. Proud na proud ako kay Catherine.
As she celebrates this milestone, she's ready for more.
Can I be your date? Matatanggihan niyo po ba talaga ang ganitong kagandang date?
Catherine is here to stay as a true-blooded kapamilya and continues to shine as a queen that she truly is.
Kath, grabe, ramdam na ramdam ko. Ramdam na ramdam kita dito pa lang. And I just want to point out na doon po, sa journey niya sa television, let's all take a moment and see na hindi lang puro mga boss ang nagsalita doon. Not stopping here, Kath. I hope you know that. So, gusto ko lang sabihin na gusto kong marinig ko anong nararamdaman. Kahit alam ko na lunok ka na ng lunok ng luha mo dyan. Kanina ka pa. Yeah. Kath, any very short, brief message for everybody who spoke? Nakita mo si Judy, sila Direct Me.
Should I use them?
Okay. Oh my God. What a day, no? Grabe, parang extra emotional today.
Happy birthday, Kath!
Happy birthday!
Di ba pala
Guys,
March?
March pa birthday ko. No, grabe. Thank you to Direk Bobot, Direk May, Princess Rose, si Odds, Ate Judy. Who else was there, Ate? Ate Marissa. Yes, si Roya, Princess. I call her Princess.
Okay lang ba sa kanya yon?
Okay
Chinek
lang.
mo ba
Ako
kung
lang
okay
yung
lang?
pwedeng tumawag sa kanya ng princess.
Sabi mo yan, ha?
And sa lahat ng nandun, wow, thank you so much. Lumaki ako sa harap ng mga taong to and sila, mahirap yung trabaho namin, pero sila yung nagpapagaan. Kung paano yung buhay namin on set, kung paano i-handle yung mga problema and all the, good and the bad days during taping. So, these are the people na hindi lang sila katrabaho mo, pero alam mo na lagi lang silang nakabantay sa'yo. Always watching you from afar. Always one message away, lagi mangangamusta. Ilan lang sila sa mga sobrang naging, kaibigan ko sa industriya. So, thank you po for making time. And yes, cheers to many more years of friendship. Thank you sa binigay niyong oras. Sobrang, it made my day. Thank you.
Hindi pa natatapos yun doon. Kaya pa ba ng puso mo, Kath?
Sabog na talaga yung heart ko.
Okay. TV pa lang yun, ha? TV pa lang. Pupunta na po tayo ngayon sa dako ng pelikula kung saan naman tunay na namayagpag din ang baby kong ito. Panoorin po natin.
Athena, George, Joy, Philo, Catherine Bernardo. The unparalleled film icon of this generation. From an endearing child star
Para sa'yo.
to seamlessly transitioning as a seasoned actress,
Bakit parang hirap?
Kung mag-drive ka, akala mo nasa expressway ka.
making her own name in the glittering realm of Philippine cinema.
Hanggang ngayon, umaarte ka pa rin na parang nandito siya.
Naniwala ako sa'yo. At yun yung pagkakamali ko.
Her monumental strides prevailed with a number of box office records,
Ang hirap maging anak mo. Mahal at mahal kita.
multiple nominations, and acting awards. Her undeniable beauty and impeccable talent become the crest of her fame. But it is her character that shines the brightest. She is adored for her compassion and generosity. Her life work is anchored in making a great difference in the lives of many people.
Bakam kasi pareho ang pinapakita mo, pati sa mga...
Relentless in making projects that will fiercely dominate the cinemas. The heart of a very good girl remains the pillar of her dreams.
Excited ako mapanood kung ano yung mga gagawin niya next. Yung film niya na next na Elena, oh my, excited ako doon. I cannot wait to see her fully bloom into the actor that she is destined to be.
A box office queen, a gem in the Philippine cinema, a kind-hearted superstar, Catherine Bernardo, a true kapamilya.
Kath. I will tell you, lahat naman po ng mga nagsalita doon ay tunay na mga rock stars dahil I grew up with them too. And these are pillars of the film industry. Speaking so highly of you, Kath, how do you feel? Sabi niya, bakit ba ganito? Idea ni Kuya Alan to. Tay Lauren, tay?
Sinabi nila may video na play sila. Pero syempre di nila sinabi kung sino. And then sabi ko, ay, gonna make me cry na. Ay, gonna make me cry. Alam mo, ang hirap-hirap na pigilan. Thank you, Kuya A. Hindi kasi ako vocal na tao. So, once a year ko lang na-feel, hindi ako expressive na tao with words and anything. So, when I hear it, grabe, tago siya sa puso ko. So, thank you so much. Of course, to our directors and my mentors, Derek Cathy, Inang, who else was there?
Ate Carmi?
Ate Carmi and Leo Marie. My God, sila yung every project, sila yung nandyan for me. Lahat ng pelikula. Alden also.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Alden. I hope you're okay. And who else? Sorry. Sino
Miss
ba?
Dolly.
Oh my God,
Nako!
Miss D!
Nako! Sorry. ang dami, Catherine, sinabi ni Miss Dolly. Sabi niya, hindi niya
Yeah.
ako minadak, sabi niya.
Miss D. I miss you so much. Miss ka na namin. Come home na, come home na. Ang tagal niya kasi wala. And then, well, buti nakashoot pa siya. Alam ko sobrang busy niya ngayon. But kung ano yung na-build namin na friendship ni Miss D, sobrang low-key na friendship niya. And hindi kami sweet na tao, dalawa. So, first time ko narinig to lahat sa kanya kasi hindi din siya clingy. But, you know, I love you so much. You can always count on me. Text mo lang ako pag miss mo ako, and then I'll see you when you get back here in Manila. Thank you so much, Miss D, and to everybody.
Yun. O, hinga ka pa ulit kasi hindi pa tapos. Iba talaga yung bonding with Catherine sa set at sa taping. Totoo po yan. Nagsimula natin siyang mahalin, syempre, sa TV at sa pelikula, pero may iba naman tayo ngayon. We will be meeting ang mga professional and personal relationships naman with the public nitong si Kat. Pati na rin po ang mga companies behind the scenes. We're all fans of Catherine. So, eto po, panoorin din natin.
A star that is radiantly beautiful inside and out. Forever grateful for their all-out support, Catherine brings joy, strength, and inspiration to her fans.
Ako pala si Christian.
At ako naman po si Aileen.
At ako naman po si Rosalinda.
And we are from
Katropa!
Ang tagal na namin nagmamahal kay Catherine.
Nag-start siya nung growing up, nung Mara Clara.
2011.
Yes.
Mahal natin si Catherine kasi sobrang bait ng tao at totoong tao siya.
Para sa akin, si Catherine in one word is indestructible. So, patagal ng patagal, patibay ng patibay.
Para saan si Catherine is lovable. Lovable sa mga fans niya, sa kaibigan niya, sa pamilya niya. Kaya ang mga fans, mahal na mahal siya.
14 years ago, nagsimula po ang KB Body Official. At dyan po kami nagsimulang suportahan at mahalin si Catherine Bernardo. Ang grupo po namin ay binubuo ng mami, mga single ladies, mga teenager po, mga ganyan po, estudyante, lola, senior citizen. Basta po, nagmamahal at susuporta kay Catherine Bernardo.
Mahal na mahal po namin si Catherine kasi never po siya nagbago mula nung nagsimula siya. At saka masyado siyang care sa mga fans niya.
Si Catherine ay iba. Lalo pag nakita mo siya ng personal, iba talaga siya mabait, totoong tao. Maka-Diyos. Yan ang Catherine na sinusuportahan natin.
Siya po yung napili naming suportahan dahil gumagaan po yung pakiramdam ko hanggang nakikita ko siya. Ako ang gusto kay Catherine, continue happiness.
Enjoy mo lang yung craft mo. Explore ka kung anong i-offer mo sa amin, tatanggapin namin yun. So, nandiyan si Catherine, parang bulaklak siya sa kapamilya na unti-unti nag-bloom patagal ng patagal.
Yes!
We are here for you,
Catherine! From Katropa!
Congratulations, Catherine, sa pagpili mo at pag-stay mo bilang isang kapamilya. Natutuwa kami talagang loyal at pagmamahal mo sa kapamilya ay hindi nagbabago. Congratulations at andiyan kami, solid kapamilya forever.
And with her beauty, influence, and authenticity, Catherine has become the country's most trusted and beloved endorser.
We have been working with Kat for almost a decade already. She has established herself as a powerful brand that most people trust and love. She is one of the few celebrities that transcends to all media platforms. Her professionalism, consistency, creativity are reflected in her mainstream and online platform. Her image throughout the years are embraced and loved by most Filipino people.
We have been working with Catherine for so many years now. And one thing that really made that relationship strong is that when we work together, it goes beyond the TVC, the shoot, and the ad that we have created together. Of course, she's the face of two of our biggest beauty brands, Pond's and Sunsilk. But our consumers see beyond that. They see beyond skin deep. They see beyond hair deep. For our consumers, what they feel is her human heart. And that is something that we really adore and we really value because we believe that she is the best representation of what these brands are standing for. More power to you, Catherine. And we are really happy that you are still with us in the Unilever family and you are still a kapamilya. Thank you so much.
Kat, we are so happy that you are still a kapamilya. On behalf of Mindshare and Unilever, we're looking forward to work with you for many, many more years to come. And congratulations again. We love you, Kat.
How beautiful. Napakarami po talagang nagtitiwala at patuloy na sumusuporta sa iyo, Kath, from millions of your fans to many of our beloved brands. Now, start muna tayo sa fans mo dahil napakalaking bagay ng pagmamahal nila sa iyo at alam ko you treasure them very well. Any message for them?
Thank you for, for everything kasi syempre ang daming nangyari. But then nandyan pa sila, lahat ngayon. Supportahan nila kung saan ako masaya, lahat ng decisions ko. So I appreciate that so much. Sa lahat ng supporters, I don't like to call you my fans because I want you to feel na you're like family. Alam ko cliche siya pakinggan na gusto ko kayo itrato na parte kayo lahat ng journey ko na to. And now, as I celebrate my 20th year, alam nyo, hindi ito magiging posible lahat kung wala kayo lahat. So, to many more years together, hanggat kaya ko, I'll do my best to make you guys proud. Basta nandyan lang kayo. Alam ko lang nandyan kayo and I'll do my best para maging, as authentic as possible sa kanila as a tao and as an artista. And then, of course, to the brands, we have Unilever, my Mindshare family, and to all the brands na patuloy po na nagtitiwala sa amin at sa ABS-CBN. Alam niyo kung gaano ka-importante yan. And nakakatuwa kasi itong mga brands na to, hindi lang din sila yung, isang taon and then iba na. Ito yung mga brands na nagtiwala sa akin iba from Mara Clara up until now. So we were able to build a relationship na, it's just more than a brand. Yun yung sinasabi ko every time I endorse something. And I really appreciate it na every time they try to get to know you, they ask you kung komportable ka sa gagawin mo. And then, hindi mo mafe-feel na, their clients, agencies, and then it's me, the celebrity. Hindi ko nafe-feel yun. So, maraming salamat sa tiwala bilang endorser nyo. Thank you so much to my Unilever family, most especially. And to all the brands, you know who you are. Sana nakakatulong ako, in a way po, sa brand nyo. Pero maraming salamat sa, sa pagtitiwala. Yan lang, ate. Yan muna, Frena.
Thank you, Kath. Alam mo, ang dami talaga nagmamahal sa'yo, Kath. Ramdam na ramdam mo ba yung love sa room na to? Ako, di ko na nga alam kung paano pa ako nakakatayo dito, hindi umiiyak. Mamaya siguro humahagulgul ako sa likod. Pero again, Kath, I think ang nakikita natin dito is just in all TV, film, mga tao sa likod at harap ng camera, mga pamilya mong sumusuporta sa'yo, mga fan families mo, and also, especially to our beloved brands, nakikita kasi nilang very authentic ka. At yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ng bagay na totoo tayo sa mga pinagdadaanan natin at sa mga buhay na hinaharap natin. Kaya naman, eto na. Hindi pa magpapahuli. Ang pinakamalalapit kay Kath, hindi pa tapos. Alam mo ba, hanggang 10 p.m. to. Ready ka ba?
My God!
Ay, sorry, si Vivi. Marami po pala tayong work. Sorry po. Okay, right now, pakikinggan naman natin ang napaka-espesyal ng mga taong family and friends po ni Kath.
Whether the cameras are on or off, Catherine truly shines because of her warm heart. Beyond the limelight, it's all about her genuine friendships and her loving family. Reliable and dependable. Here are some of Catherine's constants.
I've known her since she started out in the business. What I can say about Kath is her work attitude. Ever since she's always had that energy to, strive for something greater, something better. And early on, I already saw the potential in her. And that's why I guess she's one of the biggest stars that we have in the Philippines, because she's a hard worker and she's really passionate about her craft.
talaga makakalimutan is yung kung gaano siya ka-supportive sa co-actor niya or sa katrabaho niya. She was there to help me internalize and to motivate also. Kahit hindi siya kasama sa eksena, andyan siya to support you.
As a friend, I would say Kath is really thoughtful and loving. Despite her busy schedule, palagi siya nandyan for me, and she just makes sure that she supports you throughout the way. So that's why I knew she was for keeps. We've grown so much together, and I feel like we're just gonna continue to grow old together.
I really admire Kath because of her well-roundedness. And despite knowing her all these years, I truly forget that sometimes she is one of Asia's top actresses. And when we're together, she's just Kath. Something that makes Kath beautiful is the way that she treats everyone around her. She treats everyone with so much love and respect.
Mabait po siya. Ang hindi ko malilimutan na nagawa sa akin ni Ma'am Catherine, yung unang birthday ko, sinurprise niya po ako. Sana po. Ganun pa rin siya, hindi magbabago. Kung ano yung kakilala ko sa kanya, no? Sana ganun pa rin.
Tita Kath is family-oriented, responsible, independent, and respectful.
Bilang bunso kong anak, masunurin at may respeto sa amin bilang magulang, pati na rin sa kanyang mga kapatid.
Kind-hearted and selfless. Yan si Catherine.
Yung baby ko ngayon, dalaga na talaga. Na-transform niya yung sarili niya into insecure to independent woman. I'm very proud of her.
I am so proud of the person she has become. Watching her grow and blossom as an amazing person is really a proud moment for me as an ate.
Kath, I'm just so happy that you found a great management that really values you professionally, but at the same time really help you grow as a person. So I'm really looking forward to the projects that you're gonna have as a Forever Kapamilya, and I know it's just gonna get better from here. So big congratulations, and please know that I'll support you and I'll be here for you no matter what.
And I just want to say congratulations to you, Kath, on being a Forever Kapamilya. You work so hard and are so dedicated to what you do, and that's why you deserve all the success that has been brought upon you. I still look forward to how you can continue to surprise us, and I'm very, very proud of the woman you've become. Love you.
Yun! Kath! Oh my gosh! Congrats again! Alam kong pinaghirapan mo lahat ng to. We all look up to you kasi very resilient ka and patient. Actually, siguro dun ko din nakuha yung pagiging patient ko sa industry dahil sa'yo.
Ang wish ko para kay Kath is that you just carry on, you know? Never stop pursuing your passion and always strive for excellence. You know, you've been doing a lot of beautiful, wonderful, great things. So just keep at it. Just be positive and manifest, and know that we are here to support you all the way. So congratulations, Kath, for being a Forever Kapamilya. And I hope magkatrabaho naman tayo sometime soon. Congrats, Kath. Love you.
Hey, Kath. I want to congratulate you for the steps that you've been taking. I've been watching you, and you've been doing great. And I hope that we can work on something someday. I'm gonna work on that, promise. Okay? Adios. Namaste. Congratulations. Babush.
Kath, you have a heart of gold and a smile that lights up the world. So continue to be an inspiration to many. Be a blessing to many also. We're here for you. We love you.
Hi, Tita Kath. Always remember, no matter what challenges you face, you are valued and accepted. Be gentle with yourself, take care, and be kind to your heart. Thank you for being a second mom and a best friend to me.
Wish ko at ng buong pamilya, more success. Despite everything, be strong. We're just here for you.
Ang message ko kay Kath, no matter what happens in life, be good to the people. Kasi ito lang ang the only legacy we can leave behind.
We love you, Kath!
Hi!
Ay. At bago kita hinga na, nandyan nga pala si Trina. Trina Gaytingo, one of Kat's best friends. Let me give this moment. You wanna hug her? You can come right up. It's fine, Trina. Do you want to? Mamaya na. Naku, baka hindi ka na makapagsalita. Oh, she's very shy, Trina.
What?
Thank you for coming here. I know she came from training. This is a very special moment and to be shared it with people who love you the most. Wow, and sabi nga ni Lexine, Kath, kay Lexine to galing, be kind to your heart always. Kath, anything you'd like to say to everybody who gave you a message in that video?
That's the last one, kaya sobra. Wow.
Na-release ka na? Pa-release na?
Yeah. Isa-sign ko lang, I wrote it down. Papa P, thank you. Tita Lulu, ang sweet naman ni Papa P. Thank you so much, Papa P. I have nothing but good words for Papa P. And, hearing those things, nakakatuwa lang kasi syempre, he's Papa P. And then now, he's like, isa sa mga taong nagbabantay sa akin to make sure I'm okay. Sila, mga kapatid ko kay Tita Lulu. And of course, to Chichi, thank you so much for everything, Chichi. You know it. Ang dami nangyari sa atin, but you're still here, we're still here. Thank you. To Aris, the Sons, I'll see you soon. And of course, Meng, Trina's here. Sila yung mga nagpapabalance ng buhay ko. Siyempre, may mga naging kaibigan ako sa showbiz, pero sila yung mga tao not behind the camera, off camera, nakikita ako as just me, being me. So, thank you for that. Text ko na lang yung message ko later, love. Okay. And then to Ate Chu, oh my God, hindi ko yun in-expect si Ate Chu. Kasi si Ate Chu yung isa sa nakakakita ng totoong ako sa paggising ko bago ako matulog. Lahat ng version ko nakita niya. Why
okay. Okay ka. And then?
Yes. And then? Lahat. And siya yung nandyan. Pag masaya ako, masaya siya. If I'm sad, malungkot din siya. So thank you, Ate True. And of course, to my Ate Tin, Papa, Mama, and Lexine. Sa lahat na nangyari na to, nandyan lang sila parate. Lexine, yung message niya sa akin na yun, parang, sobrang na-feel ko yun. So thank you, Ate Tin, and to my whole family for making time. And who else? Echo also. Nasingit pa na yung video para pumaparty kami nun. Tapos, for Ate Mahas,
magkasama pa
gender reveal ng video pala siya. Thank you so much for it, for the video. Yun lang muna, ate.
Sige.
I love that last video. Thank you.
Mm-mm.